Hello everyone, I Miss Pinky. Welcome you all to the RKP online classes. I hope you all are doing well. Beta, earlier we have discussed some topics of chapter 4 and today also we are going to start one new topic. Today we will discuss about ordering the fractions. Today we will learn that how can we arrange the fractions in ascending and descending order. Let us start. Let us take one example to understand it. Here we have an example. Arrange 5 by 8, 2 by 8 and 7 by 8 in ascending order. And ascending order means we have to arrange these fractions from smallest to largest. And here we can see in these fractions denominators are same. So it means these are like fractions. Okay, these are like fractions. So now we need to check only numerator. We need to check only numerator. Okay, right here 5 by 8, 2 by 8, 7 by 8. Now here we can see 2 is smallest number among these. Okay, so now we have to write, we have to arrange these fractions according ascending order, according from smallest to largest. So write answer. So first of all we have to write 2 by 8 because here 2 is smallest numerator. Now between 5 and 7, 5 is smaller, so 5 by 8 is smaller than 7 by 8. So now we have to write 5 by 8 and we can write like this. 2 by 8 is smaller than 5 by 8. Now we have only 7 by 8. So now we have to write 7 by 8. Now these fractions are arranged in ascending order. 2 by 8 is smaller than 5 by 8 and 5 by 8 is smaller than 7 by 8. In this way, we will arrange fractions in ascending order. Now, let us take one more example. In this, we have to arrange the fractions in descending order. And descending order means we have to arrange these fractions according to largest to smallest. Means we have to arrange these fractions from largest to smallest. And if we observe very carefully, then here we can see that denominators are same. So these are like fractions. So we need to check only numerator. Okay, and here greatest numerator is 9. So 9 by 10 is greatest fraction. So write here 9 by 10. After this we have 4 by 10 and 1 by 10. So between 4 and 1, 4 is greater. So now we have to write 4 by 10. 9 by 10 is greater than 4 by 10 and 4 by 10 is greater than 1 by 10. Now these fractions are arranged in descending order. Let us take one more example. In this example, we have to arrange the fractions in ascending order. And we know ascending order means we have to arrange these fractions from smallest to largest. So first of all, we have to write smallest fraction. If we observe very carefully, then we can see that here numerators are same. Here numerator is 7, here also 7, and here also numerator is 7. So we know if in two or more fractions, if numerators are same, then the fraction with greater denominator will be smaller. So here among 10, 9 and 13, 13 is greater. So 7 by 13 will be smallest fraction. So write here 7 by 13. Now 7 by 10, between 7 by 10 and 7 by 9. 7 by 10 is smaller because here denominator is greater than this. Okay. So here we have to write 7 by 10. And after 7 by 10, we have to write 7 by 9. Now we can say that 7 by 13 is smaller than 7 by 10 and 7 by 10 is smaller than 7 by 9. So now these fractions are arranged in ascending order. Now let us take one more example. In this example, we have to arrange the fractions in descending order. Descending order means we have to arrange these fractions from largest to smallest. If we observe very carefully, then we can see that here numerators are same. So we need to check only denominators. And we know if in two or more fractions, if numerators are same, then the fraction with smaller denominator will be greater. So here first of all we have to write 9 by 3 because between 3, 15 and 11, 3 is smallest. So 9 by 3 will be largest fraction. Okay. So first of all we have to write 9 by 3. And after this we have two fractions, 9 by 15 and 9 by 11. Here between 15 and 11, 11 is smaller. So 9 by 11 will be greater. So we have to write here 9 by 11. And now we have to write 9 by 15. Now we can say 9 by 3 is greater than 9 by 11 and 9 by 11 is greater than 9 by 15. Now these fractions are arranged in descending order.